Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much you can withdraw from Regions ATM. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to answer it. But before I get into the specifics, I want to talk a little bit about Regions Bank. Regions is a large bank with over 1,800 branches across the United States. They offer a variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. Regions also has a network of over 18,000 ATMs. This means that you can easily access your money, no matter where you are. So, how much can you withdraw from Regions ATM? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including your account type, your ATM card, and your daily withdrawal limit. Account type. Regions offers a variety of checking and savings accounts. Each account type has a different daily withdrawal limit. For example, the Regions Advantage checking account has a daily withdrawal limit of $5,000. The Regions Preferred checking account has a daily withdrawal limit of $10,000. ATM card. Regions offers two types of ATM cards, standard and premium. Standard ATM cards have a daily withdrawal limit of $5,000. Premium ATM cards have a daily withdrawal limit of $10,000. Daily withdrawal limit. In addition to your account type and ATM card, your daily withdrawal limit is also determined by your individual bank account. Your bank will set a daily withdrawal limit for your account. This limit is the maximum amount of money that you can withdraw from any ATM in a single day. How to check your daily withdrawal limit. You can check your daily withdrawal limit by logging into your online banking account or by calling your bank's customer service number. Additional factors to consider. There are a few other factors that can affect your daily withdrawal limit. Your location. The daily withdrawal limit for ATMs in certain locations may be lower than the standard limit. Your bank's policies. Your bank may have additional policies that limit your daily withdrawal amount. Your bank's relationship with the ATM owner. If you withdraw money from an ATM that is not owned by your bank may charge you a fee. Tips for maximizing your daily withdrawal limit. If you need to withdraw a large amount of money, you may want to consider using multiple ATMs or withdrawing money over multiple days. You can also avoid ATM fees by using ATMs that are owned by your bank. The amount of money you can withdraw from a Regions ATM depends on a number of factors, including your account type, your ATM card, and your daily withdrawal limit. By understanding these factors, you can make sure that you have access to the cash you need when you need it. Additional information. You can find more information about Regions ATM withdrawal limits on the Regions website. You can also find a list of Regions ATMs near you on the Regions website. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. If you're looking for a bank that offers a variety of ATM services, I encourage you to check out Regions Bank.